which is no shanda zavanda unongana mzeve unongana zino nokubdirisa. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Angela's News. I'm Mr. Ngoni. I know what you must be wondering. Team ringavaenda for that long rapper. But let me tell you something. It's a short appeal. Breaking news. Our Zvirimudzimba drama Facebook page was hacked a couple of days ago. But we are trying our best to get it back. So if you see any posts that are inappropriate or any posts at all, at Isirisutuma post because we have been logged out as administrators. However, you can like our new Facebook page, Angela's Productions, so that you can get updates. These are triquitas, Angela's, my photos, my videos, my music videos, my dramas, or whatever. You see, the series of Zvirimudzimba beds. And speaking of the devil, Zvirimudzimba no pays pas. She's not sponsored, no net. But anyways, updates on Zvirimudzimba. We are going through some difficulties, some challenges that can be solved by 5 things. Your prayers, your money, and your money. And I hope you guys will you guys have good hearts. Mchatibetsera kuti tisumuke zvakanaka naka mna matere ntoida nemari futi asi mna matere nyukunyanya. And also, as Angela's Productions, we are working on a movie. Yes, good news. We are working on a movie, known as Mona Lisa, which is set to be released this year. So that is good news. And in other news, mafuta akwira akudhura. And in other news, kunze kutonora. Kuita unge chando chacho chiri kutotonorwawo ndosaka chamhanyira mumba kuita unge mumba macho mabuda panze ndo pabuda mumba. I don't know, but kunze kuri kutonora. And you know what you should do? Unofanira kupfeka zvinodziya. But kana uri kuEngland ukauya kunoku matonha akuita kunoku ndoya munoti summer, so vest really allowed futi kupfeka. So good day and goodbye. Have a great life. See you in the next episodes or in the next productions. I'm Mr. Ngoni. Ooh.